Mobile devices are used for almost everything these days. For sending and receiving photos, sending messages, signing documents and more. As a result, mobile devices are becoming an increasingly attractive target for threat actors. So today, we have some of the best antiviruses for Android in 2022. To protect your data, you must know what antivirus to use. If you want to pick an antivirus that provides the most value in terms of security, features, user-friendliness, and customer support, there are a lot of Android antivirus apps available to choose from. Older versions of the Android OS are not as secure as the Android OS. The problem is Android mobile device manufacturers can even take weeks, months, or years to catch up. And that could be just enough time for someone to take advantage of the latest loophole in the OS. Google Play Protect can't catch all the threats. To protect Android devices, 90% of the time, you would need antivirus software. It is a wise idea to use a third-party antivirus. You can improve the security of your phone by following these steps. While choosing the antivirus, most antiviruses nowadays provide many features. Along with virus scanning, it also provides added value for the consumer. It's always worth looking into the company behind the service. Some services make their customer support a lot more accessible than others. To me, the most significant factor will be the price that you pay for the service. Price reflects what you're getting. Bitdefender app. It organizes any issues that detect into categories like malware and ransomware, and you'll know exactly what they are. Also, there is a free 14-day trial of their premium version. Norton has been one of the leading antivirus solutions for over the last few years. The thing that I don't like about them is that they don't have a free version of their Android antivirus. If you subscribe to a premium plan, you can cancel within 7 days and you won't be charged a cent. Note: Norton's user interface is minimalistic and clear. Norton detected malware into categories like malware and privacy risk. They also provide a helpful protection report. One thing I don't like about Norton is that they provide a password manager and VPN, but you have to download and install a separate app to use it. The same applies to the password manager and parental controls. Kaspersky is just as reliable on mobile with a great experience. Kaspersky provides a short but informative walkthrough of all its features when you join them for the first time. They provide some features for free. If you're a premium user, you can get real-time protection. Avast Antivirus is simple to use and provides a lot of useful additional features. They have a network scanner, call blocker, and microphone and camera protection are unique features. The Avast Antivirus app is well designed and they have the most reliable free version. Bitdefender, Avast Antivirus, and Kaspersky are the best free antiviruses for Android phones. But if you're looking for more advanced protection, I would urge you to consider their premium plans. Like and subscribe for more.